Hey everybody, Lisa G here with you today. I wanted to come on real quick and show you the kit that I made for July, early July. And I wanted to do a walkthrough on a little folio that I made for my sister that I'm getting ready to mail out. And this is going to be available on my coffee shop, and you can check that out. I'll have a description or a link in the description box below for you. If you would, before we get started, please take a moment and smash the subscribe button, and if you like what you see here, give us a thumbs up, and then they'll notify you the next time we upload a video. We appreciate you very much for everything that you do to support our channel, and we hope that you enjoyed today's video. So we'll go through this first, and I created this specifically for this project, and I'll show you what I've done here. But it is 3 full pages, and you know, some fussy cuts, some seashells for you, some starfish, that kind of thing, and then some tags that you can use. And I made these specifically for this little folio. So they are, there are some small ones and, you know, some larger ones. So right now I've got this on sale in my coffee shop through the 4th of July for just $1. So go check it out and grab yours while it's available, okay? All right. So we're going to do a walkthrough real quick. This is one of my little watercolor strips that I made, and what I did was I just took a full one and split it down the center and made like a little half piece, and then I used some of it for my tags and some of it to make a wrap for this. Here's the front of it, and I used my little starfish and put them on pop dots so that it pops up a little bit and kind of gives it some dimension. And I'm just going to flip through real quick and let you kind of see what I did here. I went back and I decorated a little bit extra, so, you know, I hope you enjoy what you see here. All right, so there's the front. And this was made with one 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. And I did not come up with this idea on my own. It was one that was inspired by one of the ladies at Camelia Crafts. So I'll put a link in the description box as well so that you can go check it out and follow the tutorial if you want to. All right, here's my little tags. And as you can see, I just took, you know, some of the extra watercolor strip and put it on here. And those just slide right down in that little pocket. Another one of the cut-aparts from the kit. Same thing here. And this is just an inside pocket. So this is the other inside pocket. And what I did was I used the cut-aparts just to make little journal cards for my pockets. Now this was a piece left over from what I used, the paper that I used, paper pad. And the paper pad is actually, I got from Joann's, and it is called, I think, Beyond the Sea. Let me grab it here. Got a stack of stuff here. Yep, Beyond the Shore, excuse me. And it is a 12 by 12, and it has not only one-sided, but several two-sided pieces of paper. So, you know, there's quite a bit to choose from. This was a premium paper pad, and I bought it when it went on sale, and I thought it was really pretty. So, and let's see. So we have, this is one of the cut-aparts as well. And I just used, you know, bits and pieces that I had left over from my paper. And just, you know, put them in here. And then this flips and folds down. Also one of the cut-aparts from the kit. And little extras and pieces. Same here. And these were, you know, left over from what I was doing with the little pockets and such. This is one of the cut-aparts. And then in here, it opens up, and I made a little notepad so she can take some notes if she wants to. And then again, just, you know, a couple of little cut-aparts and some more journal spots that I made with leftover paper. So, and then that just goes inside there, and my string goes around and locks everything down, and then everything folds up onto itself like so. And then, of course, you know, you don't have to use the tags. You can use something else if you want to. I just, you know, I was trying to, you know, tie everything in and just make it really pretty. So, and it just goes around a couple times. And then just ties up nice and neat. I can't wait to send this to her, and I know she's just going to love it. So, very excited about this. Again, I will put a description, a link to the tutorial in the description box below for you. And don't forget, you can go over to ko-fi.com/artephem, and again, I'll put a link in the description box below, and you can get this for $1 right now. Go check it out. Thank you guys. I hope y'all have a great day. Be sure and hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like this one, and we'll do some more for you. Thank you. Y'all have a great weekend. Happy 4th. Love y'all. Bye.